In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record, track, and process purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean purchase order and quickly see which ones are still open so you can keep your spending organized and your vendors on track. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your main workspace. At the top left, hover your mouse over the Create or New button to reveal your transaction options. From that menu, choose Purchase Order. This opens a blank purchase order form where you'll enter the essential details. Begin at the vendor field and select the supplier you're ordering from. Make sure you're choosing the correct vendor so addresses and default terms populate correctly. Next, move to the category section. Depending on how your books are set up, you might use categories to post the purchase to specific expense or cost of goods accounts. Pick the category that best reflects what you're buying. If your company tracks items, you may also see item lines in this area. Use whichever section your accounting method requires, but keep it consistent for accurate reporting. Now enter the amount. Be sure to include quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes within that total if your workflow calls for it. Accuracy here is key because purchase orders are non-posting, but they do represent commitments you've made to spend. Double check dates as well. The purchase order date helps you and your vendor align on expected delivery. If the purchase is for a specific customer or project, use the customer field to associate the order accordingly. This is especially helpful for job costing and for keeping project expenses together. If your workflow has a billable checkbox, follow your company's policy for marking it. Once everything looks right, choose Save and Close. This records the purchase order and returns you to your workspace. If a confirmation window appears, simply close it to continue. To track what's outstanding, go to Reports. Use the search bar at the top and type the word Open. From the results, select Open Purchase Order List. This report shows purchase orders that haven't been fully received or matched to bills yet. Review the list to see vendor names, dates, totals, and open balances. You can adjust the date range, filter by vendor, or sort columns to focus on what matters most. As you receive goods and process vendor bills against these orders, they'll drop off this open list, giving you a clear picture of what's still pending.